Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a left-handed figure 8 flamenco. To be fair, if you already know how to do a figure 8 flamenco, doing this version is going to be really easy, particularly if you already know how to do a left-handed figure 8. Links to those two in the description below, and this is only really here because the figure 8 sets you up in the correct hand to do the flamenco already. The left-handed figure 8 doesn't, and I was asked how do you make it work, hence video clip to show you. Okay, so it's basically almost the same, obviously slightly different start because it's a slightly different move, and the big difference is you need a hand change. It's just a key point, so it looks like this. Goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So as you can see, not tricky at all. We'll break it down. Assuming you know your left-handed figure 8, it goes back, we come from the return, so the lady comes around, the guys are heading right, the hand goes over the guy's head, he pushes, so standard left-handed figure 8. So the lady's going into her turn. This is where things change. As we send the lady back, we switch into the right hand and offer the left. Now we're in exactly the same place that flamenco started in the figure 8 flamenco, so we just do what we did there. We lead the return spin, we pick up the hand, we walk into the flamenco, and we go for 2. Though obviously it's up to you how long you go for in freestyle. Roll the lady out into the spin, same ending as previously, and we're good. So let's do the same thing from this side and talk numbers. So we go back 1, return the lady 2, guys go round 3, the lady goes round 4, we switch and offer 5, walking into the flamenco off that return spin 6, flamenco 7 and 8, spinning out 1, catching 2, return 3 and back 4. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, left-handed figure 8 flamenco, back, ladies, guys, ladies, switch and offer, return spin, into the flamenco, and walk, and spin, and catch, return, and back. And the most tricky thing about that was trying to get in enough words in the intro to say what we were doing. Okay, so hope you enjoyed that. I hope you find it useful out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking helps promote the move, subscribing helps promote the channel, so big thank you to everybody who does that. So yeah, really appreciate it. Notification bell means that you'll get told every time a new video comes out, so you don't miss anything. And music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, so you've got a nice tune that's going to suit this move on an easy link straight to a YouTube video. So that's it. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.